Hello everyone. In this class, we shall discuss the memory level of teaching. To understand the content of a subject, we shall use this technique. In this teaching, learning process, we mostly are using this level of teaching. Understanding level of teaching, ULT. In the understanding level of teaching, student must acknowledge the implication of concepts, interpret the relationship between elements and apply concepts, facts and principles. Memory level of teaching, MLT. Memory levels is the most thoughtful level of teaching. It's only concerned with the sharpening memory or the mental ability to grasp information. Here the teacher presents the learner with the information and they try to mug up and the facts. Now I would like to give an example from physics. Properties of matter. In general, matter is any substance that has mass and takes up space by having volume. All physical structures are made up of matter and the state or process of matter is an easily observed property of matter. Solid, liquid and gas are the three basic states of matter. Are these properties determined without changing the identity of the substances? If it is no, it is chemical changes. How does the substance reaction to the presence of air, acid, base, water and other chemicals? If it is yes, that is physical properties. Does these properties depend on amount substances? If no, they are intensive physical properties. They are in color, melting point, boiling point and density. If it is yes, extensive property. They are mass, volume, length and shape. Now we can see elaborately about the matter. The matter can be classified into different categories based on the physical properties exhibited by them and the state in which they exist. They are called states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. In solid, particles are tightly or closely packed. The gaps between the particles are tiny and hence it is tough to compress them. Solid has a fixed shape and volume. Due to its rigid nature, particles in solid, they can only vibrate about their mean position and cannot move. Force of attraction between particles is adamant. The rate of diffusion in solid is very low. Examples of solid: solid ice, sugar, rock, wood, etc. In liquid state of matter, particles are less tightly packed as compared to solids. Liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids are difficult to compress as particles have less space between them to move. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. The rate of diffusion in liquids is higher than that of solids. Force of attraction between the particles is weaker than solids. Examples of liquid state of matter: water, milk, blood, coffee, etc. In gases, particles are far apart from each other. Force of attraction between the particles is negligible and they can move freely. Gases have neither a fixed volume nor a fixed shape. The gaseous state has the highest compressibility as compared to solids and liquids. The rate of diffusion is higher than solids and liquids. The kinetic energy of the particles is higher than in solids and liquids. Examples of gas: air, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Merits of memory levels of teaching. Useful only for children at lower level since their intellect is under development. The role of the teacher is quite important here. They make the learning process easier for the students. The knowledge acquired here will form the basis of intellectual learning required in the future. Memory level of teaching is best for slow learners and they can take their sweet time understanding the topics. I hope you are all able to understand the concept. Thank you.